Hello, my name is Berlin. I would like to show you in this video how we can use the code visualization wizard to visualize RDF data cubes. RDF data cube is a standard to represent statistical data as RDF. In the RDF data cube, the data are represented as a collection of so-called observations consisting of a set of dimensions and measures. Dimensions identify the observations and measures are related to concrete values. We receive the RDF data cubes by using the code query wizard, which provides the interface to linked data. Once an RDF data cube passes into the visualization wizard, the wizard undertakes the complex task of suggesting only the appropriate visualizations for this cube and the definition only the valid mapping combinations between the data and visualization components. For this screencast, we choose an RDF data cube which is provided by the European Union and shows how many funding amounts each country in the European Union received in a particular year. Let's go on. Since this RDF data cube has two dimensions, year and country, and one measure, the wizard suggests only visualizations with three components. For a better understanding, let us consider the grouped bar charts more in detail. Grouped bar chart has three visual channels. These are x-axis, y-axis and bar. We know from the definition of this chart that x-axis accepts entries with data type string, y-axis with data type number, float, decimal, etc., and bar entries with data type string. The definition of a chart can be changed and extended individually. So in this way it is possible to define another supported data types for each visual channel and add an additional visual channel for each chart. The wizard has also discovered the data types of the dimensions and the measure and defined every possible mapping combinations between them and the visual channels. One of them will be displayed as soon a corresponding chart will be selected by the user. User can always change between the valid mapping combinations. During this process, he will be continuously supported by the wizard in the way that always a valid combination is chosen. The year dimension can be mapped either on the x-axis or on the bar axis. So when the user mapped year on the bar axis or on the x-axis, the dimension country will be automatically mapped on the bar axis. Furthermore, the user is supported by the visualization wizard to organize, manage, refine, and inspect the visualized data with the following methods: mouse over inspections, multiple view, and brushing in multiple coordinated views. The idea behind brushing is to select a subset of data in one visualization, the base chart, and see the distribution of the same data in one or more other visualizations. The data manipulation techniques like aggregation and filtering will also be supported by the visualization wizard. The aim of the aggregate function is to group, for example, all funding amounts by year and take the sum of them. The aggregation functions which are currently included in the visualization wizard are average, count, maximum, minimum, and sum. The base chart is displayed on the left side, and the new charts for the aggregated cube are already proposed on the right side. For the filtering, we use the code query wizard. For example, we use Austria as filter to show how many funding amounts Austria has received or we use year as filter to show how many funding amounts each country has received in a particular year. Now let us visualize some example cubes on the website to see how flexible the visualization wizard is. For example, we choose a dataset with one dimension and one measure, or a dataset with 3 dimensions and one measure. Also here has the user the possibility to change the mapping combinations and will be also supported in this process. And an RDF data cube with multi-measures, in this case with 3 dimensions and 3 measures. By cubes with multiple measures, the user has the possibility to remove one or more of them. Once a measure is removed, the base RDF data cube has a measure less. Hence, the mapping algorithm suggests appropriate mapping and visualizations for this new RDF data cube. With this last scenario, we finish the screencast and invite you to try out our visualization wizard. Thank you.